Who needs errors and omissions insurance? Now you might wonder who exactly needs this insurance. E&O insurance is essential for a variety of professionals. Understanding errors and omissions insurance. Welcome. Today we are diving into errors and omissions insurance or E&O insurance. If you are in a service-based industry, this insurance is crucial for protecting your business against claims of negligence or inadequate work. Let's explore how it works and why it matters. What is errors and omissions insurance? Errors and omissions insurance is designed to protect businesses from claims made by clients for inadequate work or negligence actions. Think of it as a safety net for service providers. If a client feels they were harmed due to a mistake or oversight, E&O insurance helps cover the cost associated with the claim, including legal fees, settlements, and judgments. Who needs errors and omissions insurance? Now you might wonder who exactly needs this insurance. E&O insurance is essential for a variety of professionals, including consultants. Whether you are a business or IT consultant, errors in your recommendations can lead to costly repercussions. Legal professionals, lawyers face the risk of malpractice claims, and E&O insurance can provide essential coverage. Healthcare providers, medical professionals can be sued for errors or omissions in patient care. Real estate agents, if a client claims you misrepresented a property, E&O insurance helps protect you. Essentially, if your business provides professional advice or services, you should consider E&O insurance. What does E&O insurance cover? Let's break down what errors and omissions insurance typically covers. Negligence. Protection against claims of negligence in providing service or advice. Defense cost. Covers legal defense cost associated with lawsuits regardless of whether the claim is valid. Settlements. If a claim is settled out of court, E&O insurance can cover the settlement amount. Breach of contract. If you fail to meet the terms of a contract, E&O insurance may help. Add-ons. Some policies offer additional coverage options like cyber liability or data breaches, enhancing your protection. Common exclusions in E&O insurance. While E&O insurance is comprehensive, it's essential to be aware of common exclusions. Here are few. Intentional wrongdoing. Claims arising from fraudulent activities or intentional misconduct are typically not covered. Employment practices. Issues related to employment practices like discrimination or harassment usually fall outside the scope. Criminal acts. Any claims related to criminal activities are not covered under E&O policies. Understanding these exclusions helps you assess your risks accurately.